Good morning, Russell. Good morning, Dorothy. Giga Dada has another adventure today. It's been a long time since I've shared an adventure with you, so I thought today I would. Can you see behind me? I have my pickup truck, and attached to my pickup truck I have a nice little trailer. Can you see that? Guess what I'm going to go get today? I'm going to go get another motorcycle. I finished my black motorcycle, my Honda Goldwing project, and now I've found another one to fix up. So I'm going to go pick it up today, and I'll show you the video of me going to pick up that motorcycle. Here we are driving down the road, going to get the old motorcycle, another old Honda Goldwing. Can you see, Dorothy, how big that windmill is? It's bigger and bigger and bigger than 3 houses on top of one another. That's how big it is. We're here at Paul's house. Say hi, Paul.
Hello.
We're here to pick up the new old Honda Goldwing. Where is it?
Gotta move the stuff.
There it is, Russell. There it is, Dorothy. We have it all tied down on the trailer. Look at it. So it doesn't move. I'll take it back to Crosswinds Cottage, and now I have a project for the winter. You'll see it when you come to visit. Bye-bye for now. Here we are, home at Crosswinds Cottage. Now I just have to get the motorcycle off the trailer and into the garage. There's the Goldwing that I just finished fixing up and ready to sell. And over here is the Goldwing that I just brought home. It looks a little bit rough. I do have a seat for it in the truck, but I think I should be able to fix it up just fine. Let's see. That's it for now. I've got to go take the trailer back. Bye-bye.